It seems we have a few different methods of getting to space nowadays, but there is none cooler than the vehicle Virgin Galactic has built. And their spaceflight drought is going to last just about 2 years if all goes according to plan. The suborbital space tourism company last went to the final frontier in June of 24 on the final flight of its VSS Unity spaceplane. Virgin retired Unity to focus on developing its new, more efficient Delta-class vehicles, and the first of those advanced 6-passenger ships remains on track to debut next year, according to the company. An enormous amount of work is taking place across the company as well as at our key suppliers, Virgin Galactic CEO Michael Colglazer said during an earnings call with investors on May 15th. We continue to expect our first Delta research spaceflight will take place sometime in summer of 2026, he said, with private astronaut flights following in the fall of 26. Virgin Galactic employs an air launch strategy like VSS Unity. Each Delta ship will lift off from a runway beneath the wings of a large carrier aircraft, which will drop the spaceplane at altitude. The spaceship will then ignite its onboard rocket motor, powering its own way to suborbital space, and come back down to Earth for a landing on the very same runway which it took off. In the last quarter's earnings call, Virgin Galactic mentioned the possibility of making the carrier aircraft a multi-purpose vehicle, using it to haul something other than a space plane into the sky. Over the past few months, the company has continued investigating this potential vehicle variant, which it calls HAIL, for high altitude, long endurance, heavy. Since last quarter, the company connected with leaders within the Department of Defense, national laboratories, and aerospace and defense companies to ascertain the potential product market fit for a carrier aircraft capable with government customer needs. To date, all of Virgin Galactic's suborbital missions have lifted off from Spaceport America, New Mexico, but the company is looking to fly from a second site as well, likely in either Europe or the Middle East. Virgin Galactic is making progress on this goal as well. They said, quote, "We are midway through our feasibility assessment with the Italian government for a spaceport in southern Italy."